The Digital Millennium Copyright Act is a federal law that was enacted to address online piracy as well as other intersections of copyright and the digital age. In the 2011 case of MDY Industries LLC versus Blizzard Entertainment Incorporated, we examined the application of this relatively new law to one massively popular online universe. Blizzard Entertainment created World of Warcraft, or WoW, a huge multiplayer online role-playing game. Players controlled their characters and interacted with other online players, as well as computer-generated characters. In order to advance levels and gain experience within the virtual universe, players had to fight enemies, build skills, and perform other tasks. In 2005, MDY Industries developed a software program called Glider that simulated lower-level play and allowed users to advance without performing the tasks at the lower levels. To prevent Glider or other software from doing this, Blizzard created a program called Warden that prevented players using unauthorized third-party software from connecting with the WoW servers. Initially, Warden detected Glider and banned its users. However, MDY proceeded to make modifications to Glider that made it harder for Warden to detect. Blizzard sent MDY a cease and desist letter and threatened legal action, claiming the cheating made possible by Glider violated WoW's software license and thus infringed upon its copyright. MDY sought declaratory judgment in district court, and Blizzard counterclaimed for copyright infringement and violation of the Digital Millennium Copyright Act, or Digital Act, contending that Glider circumvented Blizzard's protected material. The district court found MDY responsible for both contributory and vicarious copyright infringement, and ultimately found that MDY violated two sections of the Digital Act. Both parties cross-appealed to the Ninth Circuit.